Mina-chan, konnichiwa. Welcome back to Kawaii Sensei no Nihongo.
So Mina-chan, I'd love to talk to you about the truth about learning Japanese.
I don't think you can learn it in 5 minutes.
Though they try to tell you that on some YouTube videos.
Don't listen to it. True, you may be able to learn something in 5 minutes.
You might learn a word or two.
But it would be really hard to remember it for a long time.
Unless you repeat it over and over and over.
I don't just want to cover learning Japanese, I also want to help teach the culture as well. So again, that's why I'm here.
To make learning tanoshii.
And so you will keep doing it over and over and over. So a little bit more about how I learned Japanese.
Anime, watching Japanese TV shows, living in Japan, singing karaoke, and, well, just my interest in kanji made me use a Japanese dictionary a lot. I also did use textbooks. Sometimes I went to a Japanese class. But those Japanese classes were put on by volunteers, very informal, but they did help a little bit. So I would say most of my Japanese really came from living in Japan.
So what's the next best way to learn Japanese? Aside from just moving to Japan right now.
Impossible, right? Well, in my little opinion, I think the next best way is repeated, fun repetition. I know there are a lot of really awesome Japanese teachers
on YouTube.
So why would you listen to me? Well, I want it to be more fun. I think Japanese learning and language learning in general can get really dry.
I just want you guys to have fun.
Tanoshii.
Tanoshii.
And that's why Kawaii Sensei no Nihongo. I'm not trying to teach you perfect textbook Japanese.
I want to teach you real, natural,
what people would actually say on a daily basis in Japan.
I think you really will understand the language and the culture so much better.
I'm actually writing this stuff down.
I really want to give you good information.
So just be really patient with yourselves and keep coming back to learn more. That's all you can do.
Ganbaranai-to.
Probably not everyone loves kanji as much as I do.
So it's really hard to
tell you to just go use a dictionary. That's not fun.
I will try to introduce these things little by little.
But not all at once because that can be intimidating. And I don't want this to be like scary.
No muzukashii.
One really good recommendation I have right now is to look up Hiragana.
Even just the first 5 characters.
Which are a, I, U, E, O.
A, I, U, E, O. So there you have it, the first 5 hiragana characters.
And that is a subarashi start to your Japanese learning.
So Mina-chan, you have to keep watching to find out more. But truthfully,
you're gonna have to work at it.
So if you're gonna have to spend a long time learning,
why not learn with me?
I hope you found this lesson insightful and informative.
I want to be your super awesome Kawaii Sensei.
Don't forget to hit that like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And check out my Instagram.
So in our next video, I will include some vocabulary as well as continuing to work on
Hiragana.
Super daiji.
Thank you so much for being such awesome students. I can't wait to keep working with you.
Until next time, Mina-chan.
Mata ne. Bye bye.